Hey, it's Adriana with Screen Print Direct. There are many steps in starting a screen printing business. One of the most important ones is figuring out where you'll get your designs. Creating them from scratch is technically an option, but not everybody has that kind of time. Don't let this stop you from creating exactly what you want to create for your next design. There's a good number of online resources where you can find professional help with whatever you need. On these sites, you can pick and choose where the person you choose to work with is located, and you can negotiate a price that you both agree on. Another option to consider when looking for artwork is to purchase digital packs of pre-made designs. There's usually a wide variety of bundles available, ranging from sports to restaurant-themed and anything in between. These packs usually come with a pre-made template that allow for easy customization of text and other elements. On top of that, these packs usually come with the necessary rights to use the artwork, ensuring that you won't encounter any issues with copyright infringement. I hope this small list gives you an idea of how to execute your next t-shirt design and helps you on your journey towards building a successful screen printing business.